In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Word. Copilot is built right into Microsoft Word for Microsoft 365, and it helps you write, edit, and understand your documents faster using simple, plain language prompts. Start by opening Microsoft Word, either the desktop app or Word on the web, and create a new document or open one you're already working on. Copilot lives inside Word, so as long as your Microsoft 365 plan includes it, you'll see it ready to use without any extra setup. Look along the top ribbon for the Copilot icon, usually toward the right side. Click it to open the Copilot panel. On some versions, you can also press Ctrl+I to open it quickly. If you don't see the icon, make sure your app is up to date and that you're signed in with the correct subscription. With the panel open, type what you want Copilot to do in your own words and press Enter. You can ask for content, edits, or help understanding your document. Try prompts like, write a short introduction about healthy eating, rewrite this paragraph to sound more professional, summarize this document, or make my text clearer and shorter. Copilot will generate a response in the panel so you can review it before anything changes in your document. When Copilot responds, decide how you want to proceed. Choose to keep the text if you like it, regenerate to see a different version, or discard it if it's not helpful. You can also steer the result with follow-ups such as make it more formal or add a conclusion. These quick refinements help you dial in the exact tone and length you need. If you already have text in your document, you can use Copilot to improve it without starting from scratch. Select the text you want to change, click the Copilot icon next to your selection, or use the toolbar button and ask Copilot to rewrite, summarize, or fix grammar. This is great for polishing emails, tightening up reports, or turning rough notes into clear, concise paragraphs. Copilot can also help you understand longer files. Ask it to summarize the key points of your document so you can get the gist quickly. And if you're exploring a draft, you can ask questions about your content like, what are the main points here? Copilot will base its answer on what's in your document, helping you navigate and clarify your ideas. That's it. The essentials for using Copilot in Word. Try these basics, refine with follow-ups, and let Copilot handle the heavy lifting while you stay in control.